show you another problem that's cropping up more frequently on these 1977, 1985 Mercedes diesels that use this type of oil filter housing that can be both the 4 and 5 cylinder engines. And what happens over time is as these caps get constantly removed, replaced, every oil change, one or more of these studs will loosen up. Look at that. And I've had a couple customers report that they completely pulled out. And recently, one of the customers was saying, Ken, do you have a solution for this? Well, I finally decided, hey, I think I got an idea. Let's come up with a kit that helps these diesel owners fix this problem. So this is what I include in my kit to repair this problem. You're going to get 2-stepped studs, 2 new style nuts with a washer that collapses and provides a locking feature. You're going to get the proper size drill to drill the damaged threads out and a correct size tap. And I will include red thread locking compound because when you install the new stud, you want it to stay in place. Now I've already repaired this one. You can see these nuts look pretty nice on here. And you tighten that down and it will lock it in place. And then let me show you, this side has been repaired. You can see from the back side where the new threads are, and you can see how far the stud has come down there, and then coming out the top, it's coming out maybe a little bit more than the stock stud. But you get this all back together, and I recommend you do both sides, even if one side is still okay, since it is an easy job. And then when you get these nuts on, get tightened down, you'll have to admit it's a pretty nice looking repair.